This video will go over how to manage your settings. Click on the gear icon to access various settings such as company profile, test settings, users, billings, integration, and data protection. First, company profile allows you to select your company logo and name, which will appear in the left side navigation but will also be visible to candidates, such as on the test welcome screen. The next section to set up is the default test settings, which will apply to any new tests created. This is where you can select one or more default languages amongst English, French, Spanish, or Chinese. Choose whether candidates receive a simplified report of their results after they take a test. Specify after how many days a test invitation will expire. Choose between a timer per question or a global time limit for the entire test. Under Test Integrity, you can permit or prevent candidates from copying and pasting code, enable AI-generated follow-up questions to challenge candidates' replies when suspicious behavior, such as copying, pasting, or using another candidate's code, is detected, enable webcam proctoring if this was previously activated on your account. The Communication tab allows you to customize communication for the company or for a specific team. You can add your logo to add as a signature in emails sent out to candidates, edit the invitation email sent to candidates, change the subject line and email body here. Make sure to use this double bracket name and double bracket link to automatically populate the candidate's name and the correct link to the test. If you don't include a link, candidates will not be able to access the test. The introduction text section here refers to the message the candidate sees once they click on the test. You could include any guidance for them to perform better or specify your cheating policy. This last section contains the message candidates see after completion. Make sure to click Save after you make any changes. You can apply those retroactively or only to future tests. The User section to add new team members will be covered in our next video. The Insights section shows data on your usage. Note that if you're using both CoderPad Screen and Interview, you'll see your usage of one or both together on this page. You can easily view usage per user or your most tested languages, for example. The Billing section allows you to pay for your plan using a credit card if you're not on an invoice plan. This is also where you can recover your invoice history and view our various pricing tiers. The Integrations tab is where you can set up either custom API integrations or integrations with your applicant tracking system. You can access more information via the FAQ here. Next is the Data Protection section, where you can view our Terms of Service, Customer Agreement, DPA, and Privacy Policy. You can choose whether you'd like your data to be stored on US servers or European servers, and the number of days before anonymization and deletion. In this way, you can make sure that candidate personal data is treated in alignment with your company privacy policy. You can even include a link to your privacy policy and require the candidate to agree to it before starting the test. This is also where you can request to delete your entire account.